To trade this gold price action strategy, you need to learn just two simple things. In this video, I will share with you a complete guide for trading gold with price action. And as an example, I will share with you a recap of a real trade that I took on gold on my real trading account. Traders, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. The first thing that you should learn to trade this price action strategy is to identify key support and resistance levels. Your task will be to execute a complete structure analysis on a daily time frame. It means that you should identify all vertical and horizontal supports and resistances. Here's how the complete structure analysis should look like. You can see that on a daily time frame I underlined important horizontal resistances, important horizontal supports, and vertical structures, vertical resistance and key vertical support. From structure supports, we will look for buying opportunities, and from the resistances, we will look for selling. Once you executed the structure analysis on a daily time frame, patiently wait for the test of one of the structures that you spotted. And once you see the test of one of the structures, you should look for a price action pattern on an hourly time frame. Immediately after you see the test of a daily structure support, immediately open an hourly time frame and look for the formation of a bullish pattern there. Here's the list of classic bullish price action patterns that you should look for. Falling wedge, bullish flag pattern. Falling wedge and bullish flag patterns will be called the trend line based patterns because these patterns are based on two falling trend lines. Double bottom, inverted head and shoulders pattern formation, cup and handle, triple bottom, and the ascending triangle. And we will call these bullish patterns the horizontal patterns because one element that unites all these patterns is the horizontal neckline. Once you spotted a bullish pattern, you should wait for a signal. Once you see a bullish breakout and the hourly candle closes above the resistance of a falling wedge pattern or a bullish flag, that will be your signal. Your bullish signal with the double bottom, triple bottom, cup and handle, inverted head and shoulders pattern, and the ascending triangle will be an hourly candle close above the neckline. But once you see the test of one of the daily resistances, you should open an hourly time frame, and on an hourly time frame you should analyze the price action and look for a formation of a bearish pattern. And here's the list of bearish price action patterns that you should look for. Rising wedge, bearish flag pattern. Rising wedge pattern and the bearish flag pattern will be called the trend line based patterns because they are based on two rising trend lines. Double top, triple top, inverted cup and handle formation, head and shoulders pattern, and the descending triangle. These five bearish patterns will be called the horizontal patterns because there's one element that unites all these patterns, the horizontal neckline. And once you spotted a bearish pattern, again, you should wait for the signal. Your bearish signal with the rising wedge pattern and the bearish flag will be an hourly candle close below the trend line. It will be your bearish confirmation. Your bearish confirmation for double top, triple top, head and shoulders pattern, cup and handle, descending triangle will be a bearish breakout of the horizontal neckline and an hourly candle close below. Also remember that sometimes there will be the situations when you will encounter multiple patterns. And the rule is that the more patterns you spot on the structure, the better. And once you see the signal, it is the moment for you to open a trading position. After a test of a daily support and after a formation of a bullish price action pattern on an hourly time frame, and after the breakout of its neckline or a trend line, open a long position on a retest of a broken neckline or the trend line. Your stop loss will lie below the lows of the pattern and your take profit will be based on the closest 4-hour structure resistance. After the test of a daily resistance, after formation of a bearish pattern on that, and after breakout of its neckline or trend line, open a short position on a retest of a broken neckline or trend line. Set your stop loss above the highs of the pattern and your take profit will be the closest 4-hour structure support. And here's the recap of the real trade that I took with my students. So this morning I decided to buy gold. As you know, I already sent the signal to buy gold. And here is the reason why I made the decision to buy. As you remember, we discussed that last week gold was very bullish, and last week we formed two quite important bullish candles, and with these bullish candles the price violated that key structure. here. You can see that we got a strong resistance here that was broken. With a very high probability here, this broken structure turned into support from where we can anticipate a bullish trend continuation. Even though globally the market is bullish, what is more important for us is that the minor trend here is bullish as well. We can see already the sequence of higher lows and higher highs here. So taking the trade from that support, we will take a local trend following trade. So analyzing the reaction of the price to that structure this morning, I spotted multiple very peculiar confirmations. The first confirmation that I spotted was the formation of two doji candles. Here you can see that after the test of that support, the market became weak and we formed two very peculiar doji candles. Then if we analyze the hourly time frame, on an hourly time frame we got multiple signs of strength of the buyers. You can see, traders, that first the market started to correct within this bullish flag pattern. We have a very perfect bullish flag formation that the price formed, and look what happened after the test of that blue support. After the test of that blue support, the price violated the resistance of the flag. It is a very important sign of strength of the buyers for us. And moreover, look what happened within the boundaries of the flag. Within the flag, you can see that the price formed a very cute bullish cup and handle formation. Here is the cup, quite extended one, and here is the handle. You can see that the price violated both the resistance line of the flag and the neckline of that cup and handle formation. And this morning we got a retest of both the neckline and the resistance of the flag. And this morning I made the decision to buy gold on a retest of a broken neckline. Stop loss for the trade is lying below the lows of the pattern, yes, below the low of the cup and handle formation, and the target for the trade is the closest strong resistance. I do believe that our closest resistance gold is over here, that structure cluster. So there is my goal. You can see that the market already nicely respected the broken neckline here, yes, and the trade is already active. There's one more option here. Let's open the naked chart, and on an hourly time frame, what is happening with gold at the moment? We are forming one more bullish pattern. You can see that here the price is also forming a bigger cup and handle formation. This one here is the cup and here is the handle. So it is possible to trade this trading setup as well. And if an hourly candle closes above its neckline, you can consider buying the market on a retest at stop loss below the lows of the pattern. But in such situation, your take profit should be higher. Your take profit should be the next resistance. And in such a case, your take profit for the trade will be that resistance right here. So that is one more option to buy gold. And here's what happened. So after the market retested the broken neckline of the cup and handle formation, we bounced, but then the market returned to our entry again. And then a strong bullish movement initiated and the market reached the target. This combination of a key daily structures and classic price action patterns is very powerful, and I guarantee you if you follow the rules properly, you will make a lot of money trading with this price action strategy. Let me introduce in the comment section if you have any questions. Also, let me know in the comment section if you want to see more gold trading strategies. Also, traders, if you want to learn how to trade, do not forget to check my premium group, the link in the description below, and do not forget to watch my other videos.